Clinical trial ambassadors empower patients. Before a new drug is approved for use in patients, it must be tested in clinical trials. Clinical trials are an important step for discovering new disease treatments. They show researchers how a drug works in the human body, its effectiveness and safety, as well as what side effects can occur. Their results can affect many more patients in future. But clinical studies can only take place with the involvement of study participants. Often, patients have uncertainties, mistrust, or fears about clinical trials. The safety and well-being of all clinical trial participants is the highest priority. We carefully design, conduct, and complete clinical trials and value the patient voice across the whole drug development process. In this process, it is of utmost importance for us to understand the perspective and needs of patients, and to provide information about clinical trials in a transparent and easily understandable way. In cooperation with patient experts, we started the Clinical Trial Ambassadors Program. We want to build up a dialogue and educate patient organization representatives on clinical trials so they can act as a clinical trial ambassador within their organization. Multiple training modules conducted by expert trainers will provide understandable information on research and drug development from the preclinical phase through to the clinical studies. A clinical trial ambassador will receive education about clinical trials, understand what clinical trials are, spread awareness about clinical trials, share knowledge and experience, act as contact person for clinical trials in the patient organization. We believe that knowledge is power. Feel empowered with knowledge about clinical trials and support your peers.